What are data structures? Data structures are ways to organize information so that computers can easily find and use it when needed. Imagine trying to find your favorite toy in a messy room. It takes forever. But if you organize your toys, it's super easy to find what you need. Computers use data structures to do the same thing with information. Let's look at some types of data structures with examples from famous cartoons and fairy tales to make them fun and easy to understand. 1. Arrays or lists. An array is a collection of items stored at specific positions, like a list where each item has a number, starting from 0. Example: imagine you're watching Peppa Pig. Peppa's family is always in a certain order. First Peppa, then George, then Mummy Pig, and Daddy Pig. They're like a line, and each of them has a specific spot. 2. Linked lists. A linked list is a series of items where each item points to the next one, like a chain of links. Example: think of Hansel and Gretel. They leave a trail of breadcrumbs through the forest. Each breadcrumb helps them find the next, just like a linked list. You follow the path step by step. 3. Stacks. A stack is a collection of items where you can only add or remove items from the top, like a stack of plates. Example: imagine Olaf from Frozen stacking snowballs to build his body. He puts the biggest snowball on the bottom, then adds smaller ones on top. If Olaf wants to change the top snowball, he has to remove it first before reaching the bottom snowball. 4. Queues. A queue is a collection where the first item that goes in is the first one that comes out, like people waiting in line. Example: picture the Toy Story gang waiting in line for Buzz Lightyear's spaceship ride. Woody, Buzz, and Jessie are all waiting. The first toy in line is the first to go on the ride, just like a queue. First in, first out. 5. Trees. A tree is a structure where one main item branches into smaller items, like a family tree. Example: think of the Lion King. At the top of the family tree is Mufasa. Then it branches out to Simba and his friends, and each branch has more characters. A tree structure helps you see who's connected to whom. 6. Hash tables. A hash table is a collection of items where each item is stored in a special spot based on a unique label, making it quick to find. Example: imagine each character in the Smurfs has their own mailbox. There's a mailbox for Papa Smurf, Smurfette, and Brainy Smurf. If you want to send Brainy Smurf a letter, you just look for the mailbox labeled Brainy and drop it in. That's how hash tables work. Quick and organized. 7. Maps. Definition: a map is like a dictionary where each key, word, is linked to a value, definition, making it easy to find specific information by its label. Example: think of Dora the Explorer with her talking map. When Dora wants to find a location, she looks for a specific place, key on the map, and the map tells her where to go. Value. It's just like how a map data structure helps you find the value linked to a key quick. Graphs. Definition: a graph is a structure made of nodes, points, and edges, connections between points. It shows relationships between items. Imagine each of Mickey's friends as a dot. Mickey Mouse is friends with Donald Duck, Goofy, and Minnie Mouse, so we draw lines between Mickey and those 3 friends. These show friendships or connections between them. Why are data structures important? Think about how in Cinderella, the fairy godmother had to organize everything fast for Cinderella to make it to the ball. If she had thrown all her magic around without organizing it, Cinderella would have been late. In computers, data structures are like the fairy godmother. Recap: arrays are like Peppa Pig's family in a line. Linked lists are like Hansel and Gretel's trail of breadcrumbs. Stacks are like Olaf stacking snowballs. Queues are like Toy Story characters waiting for Buzz Lightyear's ride. Trees are like the Lion King family tree. Hash tables are like the Smurfs' mailboxes. Data structures help computers organize information just like how we organize toys, lines, or families in stories and cartoons.